Good morning, dear students. This is the third video of Geography, Chapter 4. Chapter name is Agriculture, and this video is for the student of Standard 10. Students, so far in our first video and second video, we discussed about the agriculture, and in previous video, we started about the types of agriculture. In previous video, we discussed about that what is shifting cultivation or jhum cultivation. It is coming under the primitive subsistence farming, where farmers were just clearing down the land, just cutting down the trees, burning it, mixing the ashes into the soil to just add the fertility. This way they were just clearing down the forest and doing the cultivation. We also discussed about the different names of jhum cultivation in different places. Here in this video, we are going to discuss about the next type of farming, the second type of farming, that is the intensive subsistence farming. Here we will discuss about intensive subsistence farming. Here also, if you will focus, that subsistence word is coming. It means the crops which we will just grow over here, that will just become surplus, but that will not become excess, so that we can just export it to the other countries. So let's see what is this intensive subsistence farming. As you can see here, intensive subsistence farming, this type of farming is practiced in areas of high population pressure on land. Take example, students, suppose that if an area population is high, if the density of population of an area is very high, so small patches of land which are just untouched, or which are just having the fertile soil, that can be utilized by the people by using the modern methods, by involving lots of people in that, by just using the insecticide, pesticides, weedicides, all type of modern methods. We can just try to grow more and more from the small plot. So this is the intensive subsistence farming, where size of the plots are small but the density of the population are more. So obviously farmers who are living in that area, they are knowing that if somehow they will be able to cultivate the crops, they will get the easy market access. So see here, this type of farming is practiced in areas of high population pressure on land. It is labor intensive farming. Why it is said labor intensive farming? Because many workers are required, many laborers are required, peasants are required in this farming, where high doses of biochemical inputs and irrigation are used for obtaining higher production. So biochemical inputs are just used, irrigation system is required, proper irrigation system is required, because you will have to cultivate more and more from the given plot. Though the right of inheritance in leading to the division of land among successive generations has rendered land holding size uneconomical, the farmers continue to take maximum output from the limited land in the absence of alternative source of livelihood. Thus, there is enormous pressure on agricultural land. Nowadays, what is happening? After the death of the father, property divided among the children, but whatever the size was earlier, that not remains same, the size just distributed. Suppose that if someone is having 1 hectare of land earlier, so that 1 hectare land now divided into small patches of land among all children. So this way the size of the land decreased and decreasing nowadays. So on that small plot, how the farmers just doing the intensive subsistence farming, by just involving the people, by investing the money, okay, to grow more and more from that given plot. Next you can see here some intensive subsistence farming. Here you have to focus that size of the farm are small, okay, and on that small plot farmers are just doing the cultivation by just using the modern methods of farming. You can see how that farmer is just working on the small patch, and sometime farmers just involved in cultivation of the vegetables, okay, they grow the vegetables. Houses are nearby. Intensive subsistence agriculture, this from agriculture has the following characteristics features. It has some features, students. So practiced chiefly in overpopulated land hungry region of India. Land hungry region means what? Where the crisis of land is there. So how farmers are just managing to cultivate the crops in such type of land hungry areas. Okay, very small size holding because of laws of inheritance. I already said that property after division among the children, size of the land decreased. So that's why given very small size holding because of laws of inheritance. It reflects on the pressure of population. So obviously farmers are knowing that market access is very easy, so they have to grow. Farming is done intensely to get maximum yield. Here farmers just give their 100% to yield to get the highest yield, maximum yield. Double cropping, crop rotation and multiple cropping are practiced. Okay, so understand this double cropping, crop rotation and multiple cropping means what? Suppose that if you have a small plot of land and you are very intelligent, you are a farmer, you are knowing that you can grow on that same plot different crops in different season. Crops are having different crop season. Okay, Rabi, Kharif and Zaid. So in that all three seasons you can just grow different crops. You can earn lots of money. You can earn surplus money. Okay, it depends on your intelligence. So double cropping, sometimes farmer just grow more than one crop. Sometimes crop rotation they used to do. They used to change the crop. Sometimes they used to do the multiple cropping. Okay. Next is much human and animal labor is involved because this is labor intensive. Already we have read this is labor intensive work. So labor intensive both by animal or the human, that is required. Agriculture is dominated by wet paddy cultivation, though wheat, millets, pulses, jute, sugarcane, oilseeds and cotton are also grown. So obviously farmers here in intensive subsistence farming trying to grow different and varieties of crops from the small plot so that they can get maximum benefit of that. So this way intensive subsistence farming or agriculture is a branch of agriculture where on a small plot farmers are just trying and giving their best to cultivate more and more so that the overpopulated regions, that population can just feed from the production. So this is about the intensive subsistence farming. Let's recall what you have to just understand over here. A small plot but modern method of farming, as well as it is labor intensive. So this is the end of the video, students. Thank you for watching.